Let's see if I can fix my brakes, as they're currently rubbish. Luckily, I already had a set of discs and pads already in the garage, ready to go. So here we go. Let's get the wheel off. Let's get that under there. And then we need to get some kind of jack support. So we're going to get that under there. Make sure that's nice and sturdy. Then we're going to get the retaining clip off. And then we start to get busy. I don't know about you guys, but I always manage to snap the wear sensor. So I actually attempted to try and get it out properly this time. Bit of a wiggle with the pliers and out she came. Just move that out of the way. Then it was time to wrench the caliper off. Super speedy, of course. All at 5 times. Then I pry the caliper off. Probably not the right way to do it, but it's just the way I did it. And then off it comes. Just took the pads out, they looked absolutely knackered. And then just tied it up with a cable tie. Again, used a bungee strap, but I just used a cable tie. This bolt came out nice and easily, which was nice. Someone hadn't rammed it in before. And then it was time to get the caliper bracket off. The right way usually helps. Just levered the disc off the hub so it popped off nicely. And again, it's knackered. Quick clean around the hub with a wire brush. Let's get the new pad out, get the new disc out. So get the new disc, only clean one side initially because I'll only get my greasy hands all over it. Line it up, get the screw in. Usually a bit of a peg this one, but eventually got in. There we go, she's in. Then clean the other side. Just cleaning the caliper carrier with a wire brush. And a small amount of copper grease on the sliding bits. And slap it back on again. Right, just wind back the caliper. Spent a bit of time cleaning the sliding pins because someone put copper grease all over them. Actually over the thread bit, which obviously isn't ideal. Cleaned them up and then put a bit of lithium grease on just to stop it sticking. Again, small amount of copper grease on the pads themselves, just on the sliding bits, just to get it in nicely. Did have a bit of trouble getting the wear sensor back in, so I had to use a bit of grease. Probably not the right way to do it, but shoot me. Then just a case of building the caliper back up again, making sure it was all tight. Did this fix my issue? Subscribe to find out next.